Hi, my name is Jonas Laberg. I'm a product manager here in Ardoq. And today I'm going to show you the new way you can create references while you're working with visualized data. So this is based on the model from the component overview page, but it now shows as a panel on the side here. So you can have an uninterrupted view of the data as you connect up new components here. We are looking here at Mark Dugard. I can see which organizational unit he belongs to, and I can see that he owns an application. But he has recently been assigned to an initiative, and I would like to add that here to complete the picture. So I right-click on Mark, select Create Reference from the context menu, and this panel appears. So what we can see here is a search bar, and we can see which references are present in the current view. So that is, of course, belongs to and owns here. There's a little expanding button here where we can see precisely where these references point. In this case, the picture is quite simple, but he could potentially be the owner of many components. So that gives you a list-based overview over what he owns, sometimes a bit easier to read. Right now, I'm looking for initiatives. Those reference types that are not in the viewpoint, we have hidden here beneath the fold, so to speak. And here is the list of all permitted reference types and connected component types that we can connect up with Mark, or the person type component. So I wanted to assign him to an initiative. I click the row and up comes this. So he is now assigned to the recurring employee survey. And what the heck, he needs a little bit more to do. So I'm going to assign him to 3 initiatives. Click Create Reference, and the references and the reference components appear in the view. Now let me show you a couple of more aspects to this feature. So you notice this search bar up the top here. I can use that to directly search for the target components if I know the name of them, and I happen to know the name of yet another initiative that I would like him to be assigned to. With this list, you can simply click the plus button to quickly add these references. So we are going to make Mark busy. If your list becomes long and unwieldy and you'd like to filter it so that you only see what's relevant, you can use this little drop down here, and let's see. We'll filter away the references that aren't connected with technical capability, and here we go. He is also an expert in mobile application, all of these actually, which is why we can assign him to these mobile initiatives. So that's how you create references now. This feature is currently in an opt-in beta. You can find the toggle for switching that on if you are an admin under the organizational settings. Be aware that this is a beta, so there will be kinks to iron out and perhaps a bug, and we'd love your help in finding those and helping us hone this feature so that it can fulfill your modeling needs. Okay, thank you.